Louis Vuitton Malletier, generally referred to as simply Louis Vuitton or to its initials and logo LV, is a French luxury fashion house, manufacturer and retail company founded in 1854 by no one else than Louis Vuitton himself. The company is headquartered in Paris, France, but counts with retail outlets all around the world, from New York, Los Angeles to Sydney, Australia, through Tokyo, Shanghai, Dubai and many, many more. Every developed country on earth virtually has one or several Louis Vuitton stores. So how do you get the pronunciation of Louis Vuitton right? What is the typical French pronunciation of Louis Vuitton? Well, Louis is pretty straightforward. Louis. Note that in French the S of Louis is silent, so do not pronounce it. Do not say Louis Vuitton. And the Vuitton, well, pretty straightforward, Vuitton. The typical French pronunciation, Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Note that you ideally want to pronounce Louis Vuitton rather than Louis Vuitton. Do not insist on the final N all that much. Louis Vuitton. The label's LV monogram is the iconic emblem of the brand, making its products distinctive and recognizable among all luxury brands. Louis Vuitton products range from its historic craftsmanship around luxury trunks and leather goods to ready-to-wear fashion clothing, shoes, watches, jewelry, accessories, sunglasses or books. Louis Vuitton is one of the world's leading international fashion houses as part of the LVMH Louis Vuitton Hennessy Moet French luxury group that counts with many wine and spirits brands, as well as famous French fashion houses like Hennessy, Cognac, Moet & Chandon, Veuve Clicquot or Dom Pérignon as far as the champagnes are concerned, Chateau d'Yquem in Bordeaux and many, many more. I'll make a separate video about all the wine and spirits brands of the LVMH group and we'll link to it at the end of this video. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye bye.